Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook spot fish. First, it is essential to prepare your fish properly for the best results. Start by rinsing each spot fish under cool water, then carefully remove its scales and clean the internal cavity. After cleaning, pat each fish completely dry with a paper towel. This critical step helps achieve a wonderfully crispy skin when you cook them. Proper preparation truly enhances the flavor and texture of your meal. For a delicious pan-fried spot fish, begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like olive or vegetable oil, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Wait until the oil is shimmering hot before gently placing your dry fish into the pan, being careful not to overcrowd it. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and flakes easily. This method ensures a perfectly crispy exterior and a tender, juicy inside. To elevate the natural taste of your spot fish, simple seasonings work wonders. A light dusting of salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides is a fantastic start. For an extra bright and fresh flavor, squeeze a small amount of fresh lemon juice directly onto the fish just before cooking. You can also sprinkle about 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill or parsley, or even rub 1 finely minced clove of garlic onto the fish, enhancing its savory notes beautifully. These additions truly make the fish sing. You will know your spot fish is perfectly cooked when its flesh turns opaque throughout and flakes effortlessly with a fork. Gently transfer the fish from the pan to a plate, allowing it to rest for just about 1 minute. This helps the juices redistribute. Garnish your beautiful fish with fresh lemon wedges and a touch of chopped parsley for a vibrant presentation. Serve your delicious, hot spot fish immediately, perhaps alongside some roasted asparagus or fluffy white rice, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.